This is will help you to really precise and remove a lot of the excess powder without destroy or get into the structure of your nails. Okay, so you can see that really nice and precise, so without worry about cutting or destroy the structure of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and also use it. Using the sanding band is really helpful for beginners as well. So then that's where you can clean up a lot of part excess powders without worry about cutting onto the client's cuticles. Go ahead and keep it parallel. Go from the right to the left. Same thing. I do like it a lot though. It's perfect. You don't have to get all 10 nails to be this with the gold mints, but I like it a lot. It's so beautiful. It looks so good in person. Continue this. If you're doing that the way I showing it, give it a try and see how it is. There are thousands of different ways. This is one of the way that in so many other ways that we share with ours Glitz fams and Glitz nail techs have been taking our classes for throughout almost 5 years, and a lot of them, thousands of them are really successful with the structure of the nails for liquid and powder. Whether you're doing a short set, and you see I'm doing a long set as well, it's same techniques. So then you can able to achieve it with the short nails or long nails, make it so much easier. Okay, and then now we are go ahead and change the bead. So now here's from the bead set, and I'm gonna show you we can using that. It's kind of a skinnier corns. Can you close this one, babe? Wipe it off. And this is what help for anyone who doing like an apex and worry about if you are doing good, or like if you are cleaning up, or if you are doing it too much and remove too much of the nails, clean it closer to the cuticles. And this is angle and help you. I think if I do this, I should like standing up. So it's basically is really safe for the walking around the cuticles area. I'm gonna turn it on the side so you can see. Clean it underneath.
Instagram asked you, is velvety gel hard like acrylic?
It is. Well, the velvety gel is really durable too, but the weighing it's also is really light and it's also strong. And then when it weighing it also is light too. Great questions. I'm going to chain that one to the next beads. I'm going to get closer, turn it on to like a 7,000 RPM. I have to go in this way so I can see it closer. And you can go slowly. Ceramic bead, this will help to smooth it and blends all of the part of. Turn it this way. Almost done. Looks really good. Cool. That's it. I just need to buff it a little bit. And then we're ready for the top coat. So when you buff the nails also, you're going to do it like divide the nails to the half when you are visual it, and then buff from a right and a middle, like a middles of the nails, and then buff it down. Same thing with this. And then you can repeat the rest of them the same thing when you're doing all. At first, if you feel like when you look at the nails and like, oh my gosh, I did really good, I put so much work on it, and it still looks so bulky on the sides, it looks so wider on the sides, it doesn't matter how much I shape. If I shape more, it's probably gonna cut into the edges of the nails and it's gonna make it break. So give it a try like the way I shame with you. At first it might feel really different and you're not used to with this. Give it a try and then practice in a couple times, you will get the hang of it. I'm gonna clean it really quick.